So this will be very basic. I'm not an expert of astronomy, but we video engiyithumele ekuqaleni before nje ukunikhombisa indlela umhlaba ocirculator noma ama-planets acirculator ngakhona around the sun, the movement and how they move. So just to make things a bit clearer. But on this incident ekukhulunywa ngayo, it's even difficult to find information ngayo, kodwa ngendlela abachaza ngakhona I'll try nami ukwenza the way abasho ngakhona. So as you could see, there's look isilemzila esibonayo, these are called the orbits, where the planets where they move. While they move, they spin, as you have seen, they're spinning or revolving. So but see, this incident happened when the Mars, this planet, was pulled to the passage. To the passage. This passage was closer to the sun, not to the sun, to the Earth planet. So this is Mars, more kahle idlula ngaphansi kwe-Mars. There was a point where that Mars circulator, they even normally you see, I don't know ubonile ukuthi uma move khona kathi khona ziya-overlaphana ziyashiyana enye idlula enye. Normally bathi the inside planets move faster than the outer planet. So it could happen that the Earth was moving a bit faster, and then there was a way then a certain point where while this was moving slower, it was pulled towards this direction, or towards this passage, and then it's nearly collided with the Earth while they were still spinning. But there is no way that these planets could sorry, I don't know if I was bebona bengihambisile ikhamera bedlule kodwa ngizama ukuchaza impela ngazi makubona nami nginakanga bengisathi-ke this planet was pulled to the passage, and then it nearly collided with the Earth that was moving here. So I don't know what made this planet, the Mars, to move closer to the sun, as rather nearly collided. So iyo-ke ibonakala lokho angathi akuzange, there was no collision basically. There was no collision. Zange zube khona ukungqubuzana, kodwa leyo event whereby this Mars was pulled towards the Earth, it created some sparks, mabesho. So the explanation about this will be provided in the next episode when we explain. But lana bevona ukukhombisa grammatical ukuthi exactly heavenly body or solar system imi kanjani. Not the heavenly body, because stars are not included here. Stars are not included, but only the solar system. Yeah. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. Bafethu ukuthi yini eyenzakalayo. I ngoba nami expert here, but I think the way bechaza khona ngicabanga the way how understand khona and the way how I explain it. So let's move out from this video. Square namanye ama clips. Nisale kahle.